3W came out with a new set of floor mats, and we just got a set here, and this is like, I guess, their generation 2. This is our Model Y Performance behind us, and I think I'm probably one of like the worst Model Y Performance owners out there because it's pretty dirty. It's really overdue for a wash and detail. And good thing we're bringing it to 24K shine tomorrow to get it completely taken care of because it needs a lot of love. But in this video, we're actually gonna go ahead and unbox this 3W all-weather floor mat set, show you the new and everything here with it, because we've also got the older set in our current Model Y. So we're gonna show it and then pull it out and then show you the differences between this set and the old set that is out there for the 3W all-weather floor mats. And if you wait all the way to the end, I'll give you the chance or give you the instructions on how you can win your set, a brand new set of all-weather floor mats by 3W for your Tesla Model Y. And the older floor mat set, I mean, fit perfectly fine. So I'm really curious actually to see what type of differences they've actually done with this set. And I mean, if you're wondering, 3W is probably one of the best in the game right now for all-weather floor mats. They've pretty much created a great value between them, and I mean, especially when you use promo code Dennis35, you get a massive 35% off. So let me show you all these different pieces. This seems to be the Pro set that doesn't have the carpet. We actually have the carpet in ours, and I think I'm just gonna keep it on because why ruin a brand new set if you've got like a perfectly working one in your Tesla vehicle. So the packaging here is pretty good. I've already removed like the plastic piece that protects all of this together. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box, because 3W kind of figured it out completely with when they ship this stuff, because the whole box is usually wrapped up. And actually, no, I take that back. This is actually the carpet set. So let's go ahead and take this out. This one is the passenger side carpet set, and this one is the driver side carpet set, which actually I think I've already noticed one difference. Let me actually take out the carpet set from our current Model Y and show you the difference. So this is a 10-piece kit right here, and this is like, I think this is what most people care about because you see these mats the most. Well, actually the trunk mat is also one of my favorites, but this is the driver's side all-weather floor mat with the carpets, and then you can see this is the passenger side with the carpets. What's really cool with 3W is that it's removable. So if you know you're gonna be doing like off-roading and you need to remove it, it's actually perfectly fine here, and you can see it snaps right back in. So you kind of have like the best of both worlds of like carpet, but then if you're gonna go off-roading, or if you know it's gonna be like a muddy area, you can take off the carpet so that you don't have to get them dirty in any sort of way. And here's our current set. It's probably been in the vehicle for what, 5 months now, and you can see it's held up pretty well in terms of the carpet and the all-weather, keeping all the dirt and dust in here. I did not vacuum. In fact, I don't know how many times I've vacuumed this vehicle, probably 0, and you can see it does a pretty nice job of keeping all the dirt inside the bucket, so to speak, of the all-weather floor mat. Okay, so now I've pulled both of them side by side. On the left side is the newer one, and the right side is the older one. From the surface level right here, you don't really see any sort of differences between the two, and maybe I'll get some close up, but I think what they made upgrades on is I'm gonna install this one, the newer one, inside the cabin, and I bet it's gonna fit just a little bit better than the previous one. The previous one fit fine, don't get me wrong, but it was like 90 to 95% there. I think this one's gonna be a complete fit. So let's go ahead and throw this one into the driver's seat so you see exactly what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's a very, very nice fit here. So you can see now it's installed here on the front driver's side, and really, really nice fit. And I really think like the carpet touch is a really, really nice touch here to kind of give that best of both worlds. And you can see you've got this metal plate here, just like the OEM ones, but of course a much, much, much better price than the OEM ones, especially when you use promo code Dennis35 for a massive 35% off. Now there are like 8 more pieces in here, but let me show you those exact pieces on our current Model Y, because I imagine those are not going to be that much more different. I think it's just the front 2 passenger and driver side that really makes the difference if you're looking to be purchasing this set for the 3W. Here is the passenger side, so you can see what this exactly looks like for the Model Y. This is a little dark, but you can see what the back rear passenger, the passengers floor mat set, and it also has the carpet as well, which is really nice. And by far my favorite is going to be this trunk mat You can see it's also 3W, and it's really nice because I throw stuff into the back seat a ton, so protecting this bottom area plus this back 3 pieces, which is really nice as well. I really like this. The other 2 pieces are going to be the under trunk and the front trunk for your Model Y. And right here we've got the last frunk one, which super useful because you can see I throw stuff into the frunk as well. I actually use our frunk a ton ever since we got this Hansho auto frunk kit installed. So really nice. Now you've made it to the end, so here's the details of the giveaway. If you want to win some 3W floor mats for your Model Y or Model 3, first thing you got to do is hit that like button. Then you're going to go to 3W's website, link down below in the description. You're going to pick your floor mat set and enter in promo code Dennis35 to see how much of that discount it actually is. Then you're going to go back to the video. You're going to comment the price of your 3W floor mats after the discount, plus your model, whether it's a Model 3 or Model Y, so we can verify that the price is correct. Winner will be chosen on June 5th from the comments. Unlimited entries are allowed, so smash that like button and smash the comment button with all the different comments out there. Good luck, and we'll pick a winner soon.